7 Best Drones Under $50. Drones offer a thrilling perspective and a fun way to explore your surroundings. However, their high price tag can often be a barrier to entry. Believe it or not, you can experience the thrill of flight for under $50 also. Number 1. Holy Stone HS-190 Foldable Mini Nano RC Drone. Holy Stone's HS-190 is a compact and user-friendly drone crafted with captivating features, serving as an excellent entry point for kids into the drone realm. It emphasizes simplicity with functions like one-key takeoff/landing and auto-hovering, empowering novices to navigate confidently right from the start. Adding excitement, it boasts 3D flips capability for safe experimentation with aerial maneuvers. For enhanced safety, this drone incorporates propeller guards and an emergency stop function. Its foldable, lightweight design amplifies convenience, ideal for outdoor excursions. Additionally, adjustable speed settings cater to different skill levels, ensuring a fulfilling journey as children progress in their piloting abilities. Number 2. Force One UFO 4000 LED Mini Drones for Kids. This mini drone, the UFO 4000 by Force One, is perfect for kids and beginners seeking an attention-grabbing flying experience. It boasts vibrant neon-colored LEDs that illuminate night flights, creating a visually stunning spectacle. Piloting this mini RC drone is a breeze, thanks to its simple takeoff, landing, and stunt buttons, making it an ideal choice for those new to drone flying. Additionally, with 2 speed settings, users can tailor the flight experience to their skill level, catering to both cautious beginners and those craving more excitement. The UFO 4000 prioritizes durability, featuring propeller guards that shield against bumps and minor crashes, ensuring prolonged enjoyment. Designed with user convenience in mind, it includes features like altitude hold and headless mode, streamlining the learning process for novice pilots. Furthermore, the package comes with 2 batteries, offering extended flight time of up to 18 minutes, and its compact size enables seamless indoor and outdoor use. Number 3. PENSC Upgraded A20 Mini Drone. The PENSC Upgraded A20 Mini Drone is engineered for exceptional stability and extended flight time. Its auto-hovering feature allows it to maintain a consistent height automatically, simplifying control for new pilots. With 3 batteries included, users can enjoy up to 15 to 18 minutes of flight time, ensuring the fun continues without frequent pauses for recharging. The A20 comes equipped with propeller guards to prevent damage from collisions and protect individuals from the blades. The headless mode makes it easier to control the drone, regardless of which way it is facing, offering an uncomplicated flying experience. Despite its compact size and light build, this drone delivers agile performance and is easy to manage, catering to the needs of novice pilots without compromising on quality. Number 4. Q9S RC Drones for Kids. The Q9S drone features an engaging light display with bright green and blue LEDs that light up the sky during use. This not only adds to its visual appeal but also helps keep the drone visible in low light conditions or at night. It is built to be user-friendly, with features like altitude hold for steady hovering and a headless mode for easy navigation, making it ideal for those just starting out with drone flying. The Q9S prioritizes safety with fully guarded propellers, minimizing injury risk and enhancing durability against impacts. With 2 batteries included, it extends flight durations, lessening the necessity for frequent recharges. Moreover, its ability to execute 360-degree flips and auto-rotation adds excitement and skill-building opportunities for novice pilots. Number 5. Holyton Mini Drone for Kids Beginners. The Holyton Mini Drone, priced under $40, is an excellent choice for beginners and children, boasting extended flight time and innovative flight capabilities. This compact drone distinguishes itself by offering up to 21 minutes of flight time through its 3 modular batteries, allowing for longer enjoyment periods before recharging becomes necessary. Simplifying flight, it incorporates auto-hovering to maintain altitude autonomously and introduces entertaining maneuvers such as auto-rotation, circle flying, and 3D flips, appealing to users across age groups. Safety takes precedence with fully enclosed propeller guards, safeguarding users from the blades and ensuring the drone's security during indoor flights. The inclusion of the throw-to-go feature enhances both fun and ease of use, enabling the drone to be launched with a simple toss. Moreover, its adjustable speed settings offer a personalized flying experience, accommodating varying skill levels from complete beginners to more proficient young enthusiasts. Number 6. Thomson Mini RC Drone for Kids. The Thomson A23 Mini Drone, equipped with its innovative throw-to-go launch and versatile flight modes, offers an accessible and enjoyable flying experience, especially suitable for beginners and children. This drone is designed to be user-friendly, featuring a simple gesture to start flying, making it an ideal choice for those new to drone piloting. It includes entertaining flight options like auto-rotation, 3D flips, and circle fly maneuvers, ensuring each flight is fun and engaging. Safety is a priority for the A23, with propeller guards to prevent accidents and enhance the drone's durability. It comes with 2 batteries, allowing for up to 18 minutes of flight time, minimizing waiting periods between flights. The headless mode makes navigation straightforward, enabling pilots to concentrate on flying without worrying about orientation, while its colorful LED lights offer an attractive display during night flights. Number 7. Unti Drone. The Unti Store 2-in-1 Mini Drone brings an innovative twist to drone technology with its unique ability to operate both on the ground as a car and in the air as a drone. This dual functionality not only doubles the fun but also offers an engaging way for kids to learn about remote-controlled gadgets. The drone's harbor pink color and bright LED lights ensure it stands out during play, whether zooming across the floor or performing aerial maneuvers. Auto-hovering and headless mode features simplify control in the air, making it accessible for beginners to enjoy flying with a minimal learning curve. 2 batteries are included to extend the fun, enabling children to seamlessly transition between flying and driving activities with minimal interruption. Safety remains a top priority with durable propeller guards designed to prevent collisions and injuries, ensuring suitability for both indoor and outdoor use. Additionally, its 3D flip feature and capacity to execute thrilling maneuvers in both modes enhance its allure, providing limitless opportunities for amusement.